Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode for your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro. And basically we have a few options how to enable or disable it. We can use an application or we can use gestures. Let's get started by use the application. You need to open EDIFIER Connect application. And right here at the first line, where if you add your earbuds, of course, to the app, you will see ambient sound control. Click on it. And to enable transparency mode, you need to click at the ambient sound. To disable it, you need to or swap to ANC or swap to normal mode. Now let's use gestures, and by default, to enable transparency mode, you need to use your left earbud. At the back side, right here at the top, we have touch area, so double press at your left earbud and you will enable transparency. But if you use normal mode, firstly you will swap to ANC. 1, 2. Maybe something wrong with this earbud. So we need to check firstly control settings. Yeah, and now it use play pause, but by default it use fully sound control. Now let me click again. So double press 1, 2, and I just swap to to ANC, and then I press and hold again. Double press again, and from ANC you will swap to ambient sound. To disable it, also press 2 times. And you will swap to normal mode and you will disable transparency mode. Now we can customize it and we can make it in the controls. So from the main menu you need to go to the settings at the right top, and right here we have control settings. Click on it, and now we can add it for the triple press or press and hold by clicking sound control. It's the same for the right earbud. Right now it uses sound control, but by default it uses play pause. And I can add it also for the double press, but let's add it for the press and hold. So I click sound control. Right here also you can set between which mode you will swap. So we'll swap right here between ANC, transparency and normal mode, but you can, let's say, disable normal mode. And now let's check press and hold. So I am press and hold at my right earbud, and I will swap to ANC, and then I swap to transparency, so it also works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!